Hey guys, welcome back to an unboxing video. So I got Elgato Steam Deck MK.2 with 15 keybinds. So I can set up my YouTube keybinds, Discord, Spotify, and stuff like that. So let's unbox it. Let's do this. Alright guys, so this is Steam Deck. And here's also a box with everything in it, like the cable, the manual book, and the guidebook. Alright guys, there's everything. There's the Steam Deck, there's the Steam Deck stand, here's the USB Type-C, here's the quick start guide, and here's the memory book. So I will show you guys everything and all set up. Alright guys, so this is all set up. I plugged it into my PC and I also downloaded the software for this thing. So this is by default some keybinds, but I took one off that I don't need. So here's apps, links, screenshots, emojis, show desktop. Here is to mute your sound for your PC. Here's to lower your volume on your PC. Here is to high up the volume on your PC. And here's to pause and play music like on Spotify, YouTube, stuff like that. And here's the next page. I already set up YouTube and Discord on this software, so let me show you guys. So here's the whole thing. You download it on the website, download it, and that's it. And you can customize all the keybinds. So I have my Discord here. Let me push it. So I have my microphone to mute, and it works on Discord. See, my mic is muted. So if you want to deafen, it's deafen. If you want to check my notifications, I push this once, and it takes me to the latest notification from any server that I'm in on Discord. So cool. And then this one, it shows me how many people is in my server or who's chatting, right? So that's cool. Alright guys, now let me show you my YouTube stuff. So this button is to send messages. You can set it up on the software. Like you can say hi, thanks for watching, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, and stuff like that. And this one, it will show you how many people that's watching on your live stream. And then this one is for like when you monetize. If you want to put ads on your live stream, you just push it. And then this button is to start your live stream and then to stop it. And then this one will take you to your live stream if you have one running. And I don't have one running, but when you push it, it will take you to your live stream. And then the chat, so when you push this button right here, it will send a message. See, hi. So cool. And then this one is to stop ads from your live stream. And yeah guys, and that's it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.